Children of God, one of the most remembered names in the story of the Passion is Judas. The name Judas comes from the Hebrew name Judah. It originally means praise or one who is praised. In the Old Testament, Judah was one of the sons of Jacob, and the name became associated with the people of Israel. Yet in the story of Jesus, the name Judas became connected with betrayal. Judas Iscariot was one of the 12 apostles chosen by Jesus. He walked with Jesus, listened to his teachings, and witnessed many of God's miracles. But in the end, he agreed to hand Jesus over to the authorities. Now let us look at another name in the story, the name Jesus. The name Jesus comes from the Hebrew name Yeshua, which means God saves. It reveals the mission of the one who came to bring salvation to the world.